Hello, this is Chef and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and in front of us today is a 1957 big window half-ton truck. This is the Chevy Cameo. Really amazing truck. This is a resto mod, went through a 5-year restoration, and then it had its share of modifications as well. One of the cooler trucks that I've seen in my time in this showroom. We actually found it and sold it to one of our great clients probably about 6 years ago, and it's on the market again. It's treated him well during his ownership. Plenty of car shows, plenty of trophies, and here it is. So underneath that hood, which we will open up, big beautiful domed hood, is a 454 big block. It's mated to a 700 R transmission, automatic transmission, and it is the half-ton 3124 versus a 3100 indicates the Cameo. The Cameo pickup truck, 3-year run, and just this from the factory. You've got your metal bed, and then Chevy was big into fiberglass. They just created a big contract for somebody to do their Corvettes. So they're like, more fiberglass? Yes, let's do it. How do we make a pickup truck still tough but glamorous? And they came up with this Cameo. So from the factory, you had the fiberglass on the exterior of the truck, a little bit of machine tooling to make that happen, and it is a fiberglass. What do you call this, Nick? Tailgate.
Tailgate. I was gonna say, I don't even know.
We're getting close to 5 o'clock. It's a tailgate, fiberglass tailgate too. Super cool. Can't wait to show that off. This is a show truck. Certainly just drive it like a truck, but it's definitely, as you can see from the paint, show quality. Check this out, Nick. This is the part that I wanted to show off, is the retractable cable. So not a slicker tailgate in the 50s than that right there. So, and that's possible due to the Cameo package. This one has a beautifully finished wood bed. The fuel tank has been moved to the back as well. That's right here. Bring a rag with you when you fill up. One thing that I like with this resto mod, and that's with the engine as well as the front end, rear end, are off a Camaro Z28 in 1981. So it doesn't ride like a 57 pickup truck, 57 frame, but Camaro front end and rear end. As we can see too, gorgeous big back window. The handles have been shaved, so you just get that clean line from front to rear, rear to front, and then on your key fob you have poppers. So if your window's up, if the window's down, and check out the gaps on that, just perfect throughout. If the window's down, it's easy enough just to reach in there and open the door. But you do have poppers that operate the driver, and the passenger side pops as well. And then Nick was kind enough to find the popper. Where is that one located roughly, Nick?
It's located kind of right behind the back left rear tire, or the rear left tire on the frame. It's a little black button. Pretty much if you use that gap right there and go straight through to the frame, you'll see this black button, and that's like the emergency that'll go ahead and unlock your door for you.
Yes, if you happen to have the windows down, throw the keys in there, there's still a way to get into your truck. So check out that dash. That is from a 57 Bel Air. I know it's a little bright. I can probably shut this door.
Yeah. That's way better.
Dakota digital dash, our instruments rather, and then that dash, as I said, out of the 57 Bel Air, machined and tooled, custom fit in here. So it's just, you've got the gray leather, captain's chairs, super comfortable. You've got vintage air on the inside, the Dakota digital dash, we'll get that turned on, and just a fantastic metal dash, all painted to match. Your air condition, love these vents. They're just, if you want to close them, just a push. And it's those kind of details that are just throughout the truck. Hinges, every angle, full 5-year restoration. Just beautiful truck. Let's take a look at that engine bay.
And that back window, I mean, when you look back, it looks like there's not even glass there sometimes. Like, it's so clear, so big.
Ton of thought went into this engine bay. First thing that catches my eye is just how clean that cowl is, that firewall. You know, usually you see brake boosters, all sorts of wires on that. That is all hidden. And then also up underneath, like the brake booster is up underneath in the frame rail. Your transmission oil cooler is up underneath that frame rail. You do have an aluminum radiator there. That's a B-Cool radiator. It does have an electric fan on there as well. No overheating issues on this big 454. Really cool, artsy air filter cover. Matches the truck. And a completely rebuilt 454. You got the AC ready to roll. And cool hood design. Lights and blinkers on.
Yep. Get the headlights work, right blinkers going. The left blinker. Left blinker. The brake lights, left blinker, right blinker, and the running lights.
The door panel here it's got a Cameo there. It's really clean as well. And so your power window switches are actually on the steering wheel. I'm gonna come back. Do I have this one? There we go. This wasn't pressing the button right. Down and up, and that's off the steering wheel as well. So the previous owner, I think the show that he took it to the most, just midsummer, was Joe Mama's. It's probably about 110 miles away, and he would just drive it right down every summer. He'd poke around Ketchum Sun Valley with the truck, but going to shows, Yeah, no trailer clean. He would just jump in and drive. So it's definitely a very usable truck as well as a show quality truck. Yeah, nice suspension. As mentioned, the front brakes are disc. So if you got a big 454, you better have the brakes to stop it with, and that's definitely, it was thought about and executed as well. Power steering, of course. Nice tight turn radius. Nice day for a cruise.
Not bad. Just getting a shot of this bay window. Again, sometimes it looks like there's not even glass there. It's pretty cool.
Nice to have the big window.
Yeah.
Those are a rare find anymore. So if you've got an interest in having this truck in your garage or your collection, all you have to do is contact Nick or I. We can help you out. We just drove by the airport, so we're literally 2 blocks from the airport. Easy to come in for inspections, or if you want it shipped to your location, we can help you with that as well. I'm Shep, and I can be reached at 208-721-1973.
Or feel free to reach out to Nick. My phone number is 563-676-8225. Thanks for watching.